10 Ways to Start a Business with $500. In today's video, we'll explore 10 ways you can start your own business with just $500. Whether you want to create a side hustle or launch your dream business, these low-cost options are perfect for those on a budget. Let's dive in. Number 1. Freelance services. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, or digital marketing, you can start a freelance business with little to no initial investment. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to market your services to a global audience and build your client base. Number 2. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding inventory. With platforms like Shopify and Oberlo, you can set up an online store and partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. Number 3. Print on demand. Similar to dropshipping, print on demand allows you to sell custom-designed merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without upfront costs. You only pay for production when a customer places an order, making it a risk-free business to start with minimal capital. Number 4. Content creation. If you love making videos or writing, start a YouTube channel, blog, or social media account. With some creativity and dedication, you can grow your audience and monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or brand partnerships. Your $500 budget can go towards a good camera or promotion. Number 5. Handmade crafts or products. If you're crafty, you can start a business selling handmade products like jewelry, candles, or art. Platforms like Etsy provide an easy way to set up an online shop and reach customers who love unique, handmade items. Number 6. Virtual assistant. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks. By offering virtual assistant services, you can start helping clients with scheduling, email management, and other tasks, all from the comfort of your home. Number 7. Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a specific area, such as fitness, business, or personal development, you can offer online coaching or consulting services. With tools like Zoom or Google Meet, you can conduct sessions without any need for physical space. Number 8. Social media management. Businesses today need strong social media presence. If you have a knack for social media, you can start a business offering social media management services. With your $500, you can invest in learning tools or advertising to get clients. Number 9. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, pet sitting and dog walking can be a profitable business to start. All you need is a few basic supplies, like leashes, and you can market your services through apps like Rover or directly to your local community. Number 10. Cleaning services. Residential or commercial cleaning services are always in demand. With $500, you can buy the necessary cleaning supplies and market your services through local ads or websites like Thumbtack to connect with potential clients. Starting a business with $500 may seem like a challenge, but with the right mindset, dedication, and strategy, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Top 10 Explorer for more business tips and entrepreneurial insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.